Everybody, welcome back to Smoke Reel BBQ's YouTube channel. So today I'm featuring again the great products you will get when you subscribe to the Grill Masters Club subscription service, barbecue box, what have you. So today I'm going to be cooking up some amazing turkey thighs. Look absolutely incredible. Go a little bit of fat on them, which you normally don't get with turkey, and of course we'll just grill them out on this guy here, the old Big Green Egg, and we'll go ahead and use two of the products that you will see when you subscribe to this month's box club member service. So what I'm doing today is got some barbecue sauce we're using, but we're also using some cherry wood chips as well. And when we're going to be grilling indirect and maybe a little off direct cooking too, once we get a good cook on that as well. So we're putting on the wood chips now. Give a good handful. No, don't be shy. This will cook awfully quick, so that's why I want to get this grill closed as fast as we can. So you can see from what I'm doing today is, yes, the charcoal and everything is right here, all the direct heat. I'm starting these turkey thighs off over here where it's indirect. And as we get closer to finishing it, we will go ahead and bring it closer and closer to the grill, to the charcoal, and get a better cook on it. So what I did today to prep these turkey thighs up was just a very simple pepper and salt, because I want to feature the barbecue sauce from the club service. Before we do any more talking, we want to close this lid here, and we have it open, just cracked. The flywheel probably about three-quarters of an inch, and the daisy wheel all the way open. And the bottom, I'd say we have it open about 2 inches. I want this to be about 350 to 400 degrees. Right now it's skyrocketing because there's no deflector plate installed, but where the turkey thighs are, they won't be getting direct heat. For the barbecue sauce itself, we're doing it's called Reel BBQ Sauce. They are from Palm Harbor in Florida. Now that we're in Louisiana, Florida is actually not too far off. So I'm going to be applying this sauce once we get these turkey thighs more cooked, and then we can see exactly what kind of flavor we'll expect to see from this sauce, how it goes with the poultry here. So we'll come back to you as we're starting to flip and turn and baste these awesome thighs, and we'll see you then. Stick around. Couple minutes in, just want to show you what's going on here. The fire has subsided because the grill lid was closed, so we're doing just fine. Getting good color on those thighs. Alright, I suppose by now you're probably wondering how those turkey thighs are doing. Let's find out. So looking at them, they look awfully amazing, if I do say so myself. Find my tongue. There they are. Don't leave home without them. As you can see here, got a good darkness on them. If I was more prepared to probably have a meat thermometer right now, but I don't, so I'm going to just rotate them. Keep them very far away from the charcoal, because that is toasty. Look back in about 5-10 minutes and temp it. Now the thighs are up to temp. Now apply the sauce and just let them glisten. And I will keep them off of direct heat because we do not want the sauce to burn or the turkey thighs to get burned as well. Now I'm going to push them away from the charcoal. Not with this to burn. See in a few. Alright, let's go and dig in this turkey thigh here. Wow, this looks pretty. Let's go and cut from underneath. So good looking piece there. Get some more sauce on it. Absolutely phenomenal. The sauce is really good. It's not overpowering as a sugary barbecue sauce flavor. One thing I like about that a lot recently too is that barbecue sauce does not have to be sugar to be good. So I'm just going to keep eating here and say thanks for watching. Smoke Bar Barbecue and keep barbecuing America.